Hey people, this movie called Bulbul that is on Netflix, even Anurag Kashyap, the director, says that it's the kind of film that, for him it was a very different experience. And truly, mostly since, Bulbul, the perception was that it will be a horror film because Clean Slate Productions, that is Anushka Sharma's production company, gave us Pari and that NH, that was also a very crime related, fear based kind of movie. But this movie, Bulbul, seems like a horror film, but is in fact speaking about something like domestic violence. Yeah, so really, here one, as an audience, you have the sympathy for the so-called she demon in the movie, because basically is the she demon is taking revenge on all these men who beat up their wives. So it's a very different storyline, and it opens, the opening scene is supposed to be Kolkata, whatever, Bengal, 1881. So that is as far back in time as it is. So really, and that's what, a widow in those times had to just shave her head and be dressed in white, and wear this white sari. So it's like, it'll take you back in time, a movie like this. So really, people try and catch it. It's called Bulbul, and you can find it on Netflix. And amazing performance by all the characters. I mean, it's like right from Rahul Bose to the, in fact, the female lead character is also very cute. Yeah, she's the she demon in the movie, but you would, as an audience, you find her cute. So that's, I think, something amazing. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.